In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA San Andreas with PlayStation 4 controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use a DualShock 4 controller to play San Andreas on your PC. Regardless of where you own the game, if you have it available on Steam, Epic, the Rockstar Games Launcher, or even outside of any of these stores, you will be able to set up and use your controller. So this will be primarily done through Steam. So what we will be doing is opening Steam and adding the game to the library. For this video, I sadly don't have San Andreas installed on this computer, but don't worry, I'm gonna demonstrate the process with GTA 4 and you simply have to follow along. The process is going to work. So if you own GTA San Andreas through Steam, just go ahead and find it here in the library, but if you don't, make sure that you go over to the option to add a game and then add a non-Steam game. Now you need to browse through all of the files on your computer and you need to find the GTA San Andreas executable. Once it is added here, if needed, add the Epic Games Store Launcher as well and the Rockstar Games Launcher, depending on where you own the game. And once this is done, right-click San Andreas, go to Properties, Controller, and then enable Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature built into the Steam Launcher that automatically detects and sets up any controllers that you connect, including PlayStation 4 controllers. So as soon as Steam Input is enabled, you are good to go. You can just go ahead and open the game, or if you prefer, go to the controller configurator and you can change all of the options regarding the buttons. I'm using an Xbox controller, but as I've said before, this will also work for DualShock controllers. You will be able to change the buttons, D-pad triggers, and joysticks, but this is optional. The only mandatory thing is that Steam Input has been properly enabled and you launch the game through Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA San Andreas with PlayStation 4 controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.